Hello, everyone. Welcome to CSI 1111 Public Speaking. My name is Professor Kaiser Abdullah, and I will be your instructor, facilitator, professor, teacher for fall 2020 for this particular course. Our first session starts in just a few minutes later this morning, and I just wanted to have this video there to welcome you to the class. Essentially, this class will cover a number of things centered on public speaking. However, this video I wanted to walk you through Canvas, how we'll be using it, where you can find some content and give you some information that would allow you to see exactly how this course is structured. So, just like many of the other Canvas courses, you have the announcements. All of my announcements will come up here. What I try to do is if there's an announcement, if there's something I need to share with you, I post it in the announcements and I may also send it to you via email or in some cases text, which I'll show you in a second. Um, the syllabus, I urge you to review the syllabus in detail because you have a quiz due on Friday pertaining to the syllabus in some way, shape, or form. I'll cover that during class. The text that we're using will be uploaded to Canvas for you. There's no need to purchase the text, um, or there's no text to purchase for the classes I mentioned in the email that I sent out to you. Uh, Everything that we'll be doing, this class is a remote class, so we'll be doing it via Zoom. You can access that via TU Portal simply by clicking the Zoom link on the left. Once you click that Zoom link on the left, you can click, need to expand this a little bit, you can click join. It's to the far right, just to the right of the meeting ID. You'll see the button to join. You click that for the appropriate day and you can join the class like that. So all of the Zoom links are populated right in here once you click Zoom. To get the full PDF version of the syllabus, you can click this link. If you preview it, you can preview the syllabus right here within this window if it's showing up as it should show up, which is not doing today. So we will move on. Um, the modules this is a really key part of the course. For the If you want to know more about me, my contact information, you have where it says start here, meet your instructor. This is me. One thing I want to invite you to do is because we are doing a lot of virtual stuff this semester, and you may get inundated with emails. I ask you to join my Remind community here. And this is not to spam you. This is not to send you a bunch of messages that have no relevance to you. It is strictly for emergency stuff and quick reminders. You will not be getting a lot of it repeatedly, but this is really just to help us make sure that you're on track and I am on track. Send the at CSI 1111 to 81010. You do that and you will sign up for the class. It's that simple. So I urge you all to do it. And we'll go over that in class as well today. So back out to modules. We have some basic Zoom etiquette. Log on at the start of class. Share your video screen. Um, I urge you to do it. I'm also leaving you to make the best determination as to what your situation is in the environment in which you find yourself. What I do ask is that you treat this class as a professional setting. You dress appropriately, engage appropriately, communicate appropriately. Refer to individuals by name. I'll ask you to rename yourself, but in Temple, you're at Temple because you're logging with your account. Your name should be there. If not, we'll address it as necessary. Um, Avoid eating. Snacking is one thing, right? You have a snack here, you drink, whatever it is. What I'll ask you not to do is to pull out hoagies and big meals and eat on camera. That would be problematic for us. So I ask you to be mindful of that level of engagement. And the usual stuff about distractions, multitasking. You can go over these and ask me any questions as you feel fit. Back out to modules. Temple has the whole face covering policy, but if you're on campus, then you look at that policy. If not, then that doesn't really apply to you if you're staying at home. all of the content for all of the weeks will be posted here, right? I'm scrolling through that really quickly here. Start here, week 1, the course introduction, the assignments. So all of the weeks are more or less structured the same exact way. If you want to get to assignments, you can look under here for the week, see what it says. If you want to click on the assignment, you can look at the details of the assignment from that way. To submit an assignment, you click submit assignment to the top right. If you went directly to assignments, you can see all the assignments listed. The one difference is that it's not listed by the week per se, as it's listed in the modules, right? It's not listed as a week per se as it's listed in the modules, but assignments, it gives you all the access to all of the assignments. Temple policy is that we have to take attendance each week. You'll see that here in class. I'll show you how to use that. Your grades will show up here, and the people in the class. Once you click on people, that will give you that will give you access to individuals in the class. You can see a list of the names of the folks in the class. If you click on them, you should be able to see their email address if you want to email them or communicate with them. That's it for me. Welcome. This class is about public speaking. You will be engaging in a lot of that, right? You will be engaging in a lot of that. I'll do minimal lecturing. I'll talk to you a bit more about the format of the class and structure once we get in. But my hope is to do videos similar to this for each lesson, have those posted, and then perchance we spend more time in class going over assignments and content and giving and going over assignments and actually doing speeches and answering some of your questions and doing more of the lecture stuff in small snippets like this outside of class. Take care, all the best. Looking forward to seeing you shortly.